Good morning, everybody. Today I explain our parallel plate condenser. So this is the diagram of parallel plate condenser. Here we have to use two plate. This is plate A and plate B. So this plate is copper plate. So in parallel plate condenser we have to use copper plate and this plate are parallel to each other. This parallel plate A and B and D be the distance between two plates, keeping your mind. So from this plate we have to calculate area of the plate, D be the distance between two plates and K be the dielectric constant of the medium, G be the potential difference, epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space, E be the electric intensity, D be the electric flux density. And by the definition of electric flux density, we have to given the equation of parallel plate condenser D equal to epsilon 0 Ka upon D. This is the equation of parallel plate condenser. This equation we have to use to determine or to calculate the capacitance of parallel plate condenser equation. Here these two plates are parallel to each other and you have to use coating material. First you have to use this two plate and keep the material in between two plates and to determine the capacitance of that material. The parallel plate condenser are used to determine or to calculate the capacitance of the given material, keeping your mind. ये जो पैरेलल प्लेट कंडेंसर है ये अपन इसके लिए यूज करते हैं कैपेसिटेंस डिटरमाइन करने के लिए। कोई भी मटेरियल का कैपेसिटेंस डिटरमाइन करेंगे तो उसके चलते हुए अपने को क्या करने का है, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ द प्लेट, देन डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू प्लेट, then K be the dielectric constant of the medium, B be the potential difference, and epsilon 0 is the permittivity of freeness. So our equation of parallel plate condenser equation is D equal to epsilon 0. This is the epsilon, keeping your mind. D equal to epsilon 0 Ka upon V. Here K is the dielectric constant or dielectric medium. Here A is the area of the plate, parallel plate condenser, parallel plate area, and D be the distance between two plates. From this equation, capacitance increases to increase the area of the metal, dielectric constant, and distance between two plates. In this equation, D equal to epsilon 0 K upon D. So from this equation, dielectric constant increases, area increases, and distance between two plates increases to increase the capacitance. Capacitance C, keeping your mind. So C equal to epsilon 0 K upon D. Here is D is the electric flux density, but in case of the parallel plate equation, we can use C for the capacitance. So C equal to epsilon 0 Ka upon T. This is the equation of capacitance, keeping your mind. In another way, this D equal to C and C equal to epsilon 0 K upon D. So this is the equation of parallel plate condenser equation. This equation is very important for to solve the numerical problem. Also, we have to given this equation and what is the full form of A, what is the full form of epsilon 0, what is the full form of K and D. So epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space. K is the dielectric constant, A is the area of the plate and D is the distance between two plates. So then factor affecting capacitance. ये कैपेसिटेंस जो है किसके ऊपर डिपेंड्स करता है, फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग कैपेसिटेंस. So capacitance of the condenser depends on area of the plate, dielectric medium or dielectric material and distance between two plates. After the plate of condenser increases, answer here, area of the plate of condenser increases to increase the capacitance. Therefore, capacitance of the condenser is directly proportional to area of the plate. Capacitance of condenser is directly proportional to area of the plate. Third point, potential decreases to increase the capacitance. Potential decreases to increase the capacitance of the condenser. This is 3 points, very important in your examination. Here is question arises, area of the plate condenser blank to increase the capacitance. So our option increases, decreases, both A and B and none of these. So our answer is A, increases. So area of the plate of condenser increases to increase the capacitance. And when capacitance increases, condenser is directly proportional. Condenser is directly proportional to the area of the plate. This potential decreases to increase the capacitance of condenser. Potential difference decreases to increase the capacitance. Distance between two plates increases to increase the potential. It means that distance between two plates increases to increase the potential and capacitance of the condenser decreases, keep in your mind. Hence, the capacitance of condenser is inversely proportional to the distance between two plates. Capacitance of condenser is inversely proportional to distance between two plates. So, student, this is the parallel plate condenser equation. C equal to epsilon 0 Ka upon D. Keep in your mind. C equal to epsilon 0 Ka upon D. This equation is only important. This equation used for to solve the numerical problem. And here is important is this parameter long form, all full form. The distance between two plates. K is the dielectric constant, epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space, A is the area, and dB the electric flux density. This all parameter we have to use. The next equation, parallel plate condenser or parallel plate capacitance, C equal to epsilon 0 Ka upon D. And this parallel plate condenser depends on the distance between two plates, then area of the plate, मतलब both plate we have to calculate the area. So this parallel plate condenser depends on the area of the plate. Then this parallel plate condenser depends on the distance between two plates, and this parallel plate equation depends on the area of the plate. So in this case, capacitance increases to increase the dielectric medium, to increase the area of the plate and decrease D distance between two plates. Keeping your mind. So here parallel plate condenser depend on the area of the plate, distance between two plates and dielectric medium. These three parameters is very important. Here is question arises. Parallel plate condenser depends on. You have to give one option, all three or only one. Suppose your question parallel plate condenser depends on option A area, option B dielectric medium, option C distance between two plates, and option D all of these. So our answer is all of these. So student, today I stop here. Thank you very much.